What's going on? Time we got 6:56. All right, good morning everyone. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's doing good. What up, Green? Happy Monday. Good morning, good morning. What up, George? Hope you guys are doing good, having a great morning so far. We're about to get this thing started. Cool. Let's get the Zoom link out and get this show on the road here. Share screen. Boom. How y'all feeling today on this lovely Monday? Everybody good? Let's lower the music a little bit. All right. Happy Monday. Let's get this going here. Let's do a top-down analysis. Check out the Discord, see if anything was going on. Chat, we got a free Discord here. The link is in the bio. Should be all updated. London sesh. That's going to be big for GJ here, this daily close above. Nice. Winning attitude, baby. Hell yeah. Hey, it's Monday. It's about to be the best week of our lives, man. It's just the start here. You just wait. Wait till Friday. You are going to look back on this week and be like, wow. This was one of the, if not the best week of my life, the best week of my trading. This week, I stayed disciplined to my plan. This week, I took a bunch of winning trades. I made a bunch of money. And that's the goal, right? That's what we want to say at the end of every single week. And let that be this week. If you haven't been able to say that from prior weeks, let's make sure we could say that on Friday this week. That, man, we stuck to our plan. We had a hell of a week, man. So it's going to be a good one. It's all about staying process focused, staying systemized in your trading, and showing up every day to learn, right? So let's do this quick breakdown here. Looks like we're going to have a 1 hour close. Let's just take a look at this. Okay, I think we're good. All right. So let's do some story time here, chat. Again, another day here to be disciplined. It's a Monday. We should have some great opportunities here today. Let's take a look at the news. We have some red folder coming in. Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30. And then after that, it's pretty clean in terms of red folders. So that's fine. We get this 8:30 volume, and then we either look to take positions before or after. But let's take a look at what price action's looking like here, so we can identify some ranges and some potential positions. Let me just send the Zoom link. Okay, cool. All right. So let's look at gold here, right? So gold weekly time frame looks like we ended up closing bearish last week. So you had this candle close above this level, right? And we were looking for the breakout, and this candle right here closed above, and this candle was just beautiful, man. It went up, it did its job, it created a bottom wick, it filled the wick to the left, broke the highs, and pushed all the way up till about 2050. So that candle did its job, man. That was a beautiful, healthy candle. and it ended up closing bearish here. So ended up creating some sort of resistance, and now the new weekly candle has, if we're going based off price action, then you know, this weekly candle, we're expecting sells, right? We're expecting this wick to get filled and see if we end up closing above the zone here on Friday, because we can come all the way down to retest this support, even these wicks, and still close above, right? We could still close above here on Friday, leading up to a, you know, potentially bullish week the following week, right? So as long as we're staying above this area in terms of a closure, then we should still be good to continue up. But we are bearish on the weekly. You have a nice rejection wick. We never filled this wick here. You got a nice rejection wick and a nice wick to fill here as well. So right now it looks like we currently made a bit of a low, and we came up to create somewhat of a top wick. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame is looking pretty good, right? If we notice there's a resistance here, let's look left, because there should be, let's see. So if we're looking left, we have this major resistance up here, and it looks like that's where price rejected at, right? So price has rejected that resistance on the daily time frame, and starting to push down now. We had a very strong closure on Friday. So Friday's candle closed very strong bearish, breaking all the lows here, breaking the low, and next target now for the daily is really going to be down here at this support at 1990. So let's see if we can get there today. Today we're going to be looking for sells overall, and we have a nice clean range here from 2004 to 1990, which is about 150 pip range. So not too bad in terms of sells here today. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, because the daily, you know, we closed super bearish. We've created a top wick. If we flip bearish here and start breaking the lows, high chance we come down to retest the support, and, you know, potentially even this wick down here to the left. So let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour pushed up over the last 8 hours here and closed bullish, and now it looks like we're creating some sort of rejection, right? We're re-breaking the 4-hour low here, so possible resistance being formed to continue down on this daily time frame, right? If we're going to be prioritizing one position here today, it's going to be going short, right? It's going to be sells based off the daily, based off the weekly closures. So if that's in our mind, well, we can say, okay, well, 4-hour candle never closed above this range here, right? It looks like we're doing a fake out here, never broke the high, re-breaking the lows, coming back into this range, and then this is your nearest support, right? So coming back into this range at this point. So let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour, you have a clean resistance right here, and then it looks like we have a support right here. All right, so that's our support. There's also a support right here as well. I think I had this drawn up last night. Yeah, it was range 2 buys above here. Never got that, right? We never got that, and now we're diving back into the range. I believe I had sells below, I think it was below here. And again, you never would have had a position there, right? So the entry would have been on the flip of this candle. Price never flipped, it closed back in the range. This candle we never would have entered on because this candle never closed below. So there would have been no entries there. Nobody should have gotten faked out unless you try to take some sort of a rushed entry and got in beforehand. But other than that, yeah, no entries should have been taken there. So you had one closure, which was nice. This was like the first hour of the market open. I was watching this at 7 p.m. last night Eastern, and yeah, price just pushed back up in the range. This candle pumped down. I don't know what time this was, but this was probably during the London session or maybe late Asian session. but you never had a closure, right? So you never had a close. That's why it's so important to wait for candles to close, because yeah, even if you were looking off the 30-minute, you would have been waiting for the break of that low. Never happened. The flip of this candle never happened. So zone was pretty good there, but we're gonna move this zone down a little bit, and we're gonna put that support down there. And then in terms of, let's see what this is right here, because there's another support here, but it gets a bit choppy. So we really want to see a close back in this range here, and then some closures below here. Right, let me just see. I remember the analysis was, yeah, that was it right there. So yeah, that's probably what we're gonna stick to here on gold here today. So if you do get a close above here at this point, then that is considered a range 2. So we are straight for buys above here today, and you do have super clean traffic here today up until I was targeting this area right here originally, and that was about 40 pips. And it looks like price tapped into that area. So if you guys notice, right, you basically have this, we were looking for range 1 breakouts above this level here, and you have your range 1 now. This would be the new support, and then this would be the range 2. So any closure above here, we should be good to push on up to fill these wicks to the left hand side, and then possibly even come up into this like 2018 2019 area. So that's probably the range we'll be looking for in terms of buys. We have our range 2, right? So this was a range 1 right here. This is going to be a range 2, and then anything is above here is pretty clean for buys at this point. So we'll see what happens there. Again, we are mainly looking for sells unless we get some sort of support being formed here, and that would establish a new range. And then once we break this high, doing something that none of these candles right here have been able to do, we would close above. And if we do get the close above, then the next candle should start to pop like this, right? Come up and fill these ranges here. So that's what we'll be looking for here today in terms of going long here on gold and taking buys. Those are going to be our positions, or those are going to be what I'm going to be looking for. And then in terms of sells, looks probably like this is going to be our best bet here. I do want to see what this looks like on the daily. Where's the flip? Let's take a look at the flip of this candle. 1 hour, yeah. So let's measure this, right? Let's measure this out. It's about a 30 pip range here. So potential sells below here. This would be the daily candle flip, which would be the support, and we may be able to take sells depending on the time, depending on the volume. We'll see what happens, but you got pretty good sells below both of those areas there. So we're gonna mark that off, sells below, and then right now price is just rejecting, right? So no top wick on this 1 hour candle yet. This is why we never take positions when candles don't have top wicks, because you know, if you're holding down to this support here, well, price goes down to the support, and then boom. So now you're back to break even. Now you don't know what's going to happen. You see this big rejection. Does this happen every single time? No, but it happens most of the time. Most of the time. So that's why we never take positions before a candle makes a top wick. All right, so sells below here. And I think that's going to be the day. That'll probably be what the day's looking like here. So this range is chopped, trust me. Choppy. Don't worry about this range here, right? We're going to be looking to take ourselves either below this support or below this support, because when we do, there's clean traffic to the left-hand side. This is your daily candle flipping bearish again, which would be a really good sign, especially If we break this low after this rejection, come down, break the low, close below, you have about a 30 pip range here. And then below here, you have even more clean range, right? So you got about a 90 pip range altogether here from the flip of the candle. And then seriously, if this daily candle wants to drive today, we could probably tap into these levels here, which is what, 1989, 1988, 1990, somewhere around these levels. If we break this low, there's a high chance we retest the support, wick down a little bit, and tap into these 1988? Yeah, 1988 levels. So that's gonna be the day here on gold. So let's get rid of something here. I don't like so many lines. All right, let's get rid of this. No, let's get rid of this support. And we'll do it just like that. So let's clone this bad boy. And if we're gonna take buys, and where can we look to continue up to today? Let's see what this looks like. There's a resistance up here. See what that looks like on the daily. Yeah, I mean, that would make sense. We break this daily high, probably continue to push up, tap into this level up here. So yeah, that'll probably be the target here for buys here is 20,500. So pretty clean, pretty straightforward. Buys above, we've already established that range too. And yeah, that's gonna be the day. That'll be it. Yeah, we had the range 2 right above here. Range 1, this is range 1, break above, that would be range 2. And that would put us in a position to take buys according to our system. Sweet. But plenty of room here today. Morning, John.
Good morning, good morning. How we doing? Good morning, chat.
Doing great, bro.
What's going on?
How are you?
Great.
London session today or what?
Yes, sir. No trades.
Nice. Yeah, Monday.
Yeah.
So that's the thing we look at too, because over the last 3 or 4 weeks there was no London session trades on Monday, I think.
Yeah.
So, maybe that's something that we'll take into consideration for London, right? Not trade the Sunday night London session, but trade, moving forward throughout the week. So it would probably really just be Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and Thursday night. Yeah. Sweet.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
No.
So we're just testing out London session, guys. So we're sample sizing data in the London session. So that way, I know a lot of you guys do trade London, and we will have a stream coming soon for London. We just got to make sure the numbers are right over a couple months, right? We can't just say, oh, we had one good week in London and just start streaming London, right? This is something that we have to test this data over the course of the next 3, 4, 5 months, and as long as that win rate continues to be above 80%, then we will have a London stream.
100%.
We are working on that currently. So okay, cool. So that's going to be gold here today. Boom. We have our top wick here on the daily candle. If we do, break these lows, this the candle flip right here. If we end up breaking down, we have clean traffic to the left-hand side. We have a beautiful wick to fill here as well. And that lines up perfectly with this support, and it also lines up with this wick to the left-hand side. So that's going to be clean here for gold. This is basically going to be a no trade zone right here. Right here. But anything above this range 2 is going to be pretty clean traffic for us to trade in. And then anything below, really like this flip. So anything below here will be pretty good as well, below this area. So not too bad. We'll look at these sells if and when they come. But as of right now, I'm gonna stick with below here. But this is the flip of the candle, and if we do start breaking these lows during volume time, then that can be when the wick gets filled. So we're gonna pay attention to it, right? Say we have a closure below. That can be when this wick gets filled here to the left-hand side. So we'll take a look at that as it comes. But just for the sake of not having a bunch of lines, we're gonna just leave it alone now and just make sure we got our EYES indicator on, right? So that way when that does happen, we are there, okay? So that's gonna be gold here. Looks like we've made a top wick, perfect. If we can get a close below around 8 a.m., that'd be pretty nice. Got a few 30-minute candles to go. But yeah, and if not, we create the support here to continue pushing up today. Sound good? That's gonna be gold here. All right. And I'm thinking too, man, like we could even possibly look for the close below here. There's a reason I have this line. Every time price seemed to come to this area, it had a nice push down. Same thing here, nice push. Same thing here, you got a closure and then like a nice push down here. Same thing here, right? So we may be able to anticipate the daily flip, which is right here, with the closure below here. So something I'm looking into as well. I've seen this happen before, so. All right, so let's take a look at pound yen here as well. See what we got going on with pound yen. So let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly is bullish, very nice. So we ended up closing bullish last week, strong bullish close last week after having somewhat of a dud here, right? This was a beautiful candle. It went up, did its job. Ended up closing a little weak though, but it still closed above this level here, which was perfectly fine, right? Closed above here. Next candle really drove up pretty nice. Now where do we go, right? Where do we get to from here? So there is a resistance if we look left right here. So 167,600, that's probably going to be our next target here on this weekly time frame. So we've had a decent bottom wick. Now if we can continue pushing up, you know, this is ideally what we would like to see here by the end of the week. Candle closing above, even a candle closing above here, because then you have a really clean range. So if we could break back into that range by the end of the week, that would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. So let's take a look here. So we're pretty bullish on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame as well. Looks like we're in. Let's look left because we all know we have a resistance right here. So if we can get a close above that resistance today, somebody else noticed that in the Discord as well. We talked about that on Friday, I believe. But yeah, we're gonna need a closure above this level. If we can get that, man, we have clean range here on pound yen to continue up, even into these areas up here for next week. Right around here. Right, so it's pretty clean. If you break back into this range, it should be a pretty nice range fill at that point, and we could take advantage of all that. Super clean. If you notice, you look left. If you look left enough, you'll see that in this zone right here, there's a lot of clean traffic, right? A lot of clean traffic. So look, check it out. You got clean candles, clean pushes, clean, super clean, Both of these are super clean, right? Up and down, super clean, right? So very, very clean range. So if we can break into that by the end of the day here, I think I said the end of the week, by the end of the day, tomorrow should be pretty clean. Tomorrow and this whole week should be really nice. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame has a resistance right here and pretty strong supports, right? We're super bullish, so there is no rush to take sells here. You don't want to take sells. This is a choppy, trust me, you do not want to be in sells below here when the higher time frames are super bullish. This is just choppy. So 4-hour time frame is trying to get a breakout at this point. Let's see what the pips are looking like above here. So it's a good like 35-40 pip range. Let's take a look at the 1 hour at this point. 1 hour has a clear resistance here. You have a support right here. Probably put it more so right here. And this is the range that you're currently in on the 1 hour time frame. So right now we're just chopping around this zone from 66,150 to 66,500 about, and it's probably going to be a little choppy here today in this range here. If we do get a breakout of this range, I think it'll be pretty clean, especially for buys. We're going to need range 2 sells if we are looking to take sells here today. But yeah, you have a nice clean range up until up here, which is, like we said, about 35 pips. So we could look to take advantage of that. We have a bunch of candles here that never closed above. So if we do get a closure above here, high chance that we can come up and retest that high. And then what do we have left? To the left. Yeah, pretty clean. Pretty clean above that area. So let's mark this off right here. Scroll back, and that lines up perfectly with this wick. So this is going to be perfect. This is going to be the best day of your life. All right, so buys above here with a closure 166,457. Buys above, and then if we are looking for sells today, let's take a look here. I would say sells below here aren't bad. Yeah, below here, range 2 below here. Yeah, that's probably our best bet. Yeah, because I see, so the last 1 hour candle did close bearish, which is fine, but man, you don't want to, you really don't want to trade in this zone here. This is nasty. That's nasty. And we need a range too, right? Because look at every time price kind of like boom, came back in the range, right? Boom, closed below, came back up in the range, closed below, came back in the range, closed below. Like, so we definitely need a range too. And then if we actually, yeah, I'm really not even open to sells at this point on pound yen. But if we do, it's probably going to be below, range 2 sells below there.
Me neither, bro. I had mine marked up all the way down at that range at 165.261.
I was looking here too. What is that? 165, yeah.
No, I got, yeah.
Honestly, you could even move it down to here.
Yeah, if it happens, it happens. I mean, not really interested in that.
Yeah. So we'll keep it here for now, but we're gonna need a range 2 at that point. And then, you know, look to take profits down in these zones here. So again, not too open here for sells. Very, very bullish on pound yen. So we'll wait for buys. 30-minute candle is about to close, so we'll see where we get a closure. If some of you guys have questions, what's the difference between the time frames, right? So if you look here, the 1 hour resistance is right here. You have a resistance on the 1 hour time frame right here. But if we go to the 30-minute, you notice how now the new resistance is up here based off of the 30-minute time frame, right? So that's the difference when you guys ask, hey, what's the difference between the 1 hour and the 30-minute in terms of taking positions or marking up your charts? That is the difference, right? Here's your most recent resistance on the 30-minute time frame, but if we look at the 1 hour time frame, that resistance isn't there, right? So if you wanted to take a buy position and you wanted it to be above this level here at 166.456, then you would need an hourly candle to close, right? So if this 30-minute candle closes above here, that's not valid, right? That's not valid. The 30-minute candle would have to close above here in order for us to take buys. But if we wait for a 1 hour candle, then we have an entry as long as we have a closure above this level here. So that's the difference between time frames. I know some people had questions on that, but yeah, that's gonna be the day here, ladies and gents. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, Austin. What's up, boys? What up, boys? What up, Tandy?
Morning, boys.
What up, boys?
Boy, the boys are in the house.
Morning, Tandy.
What's good, my boy?
What it do?
No?
Yeah.
Another day, another dollar.
Another day, another dollar.
There.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me charge my phone because this thing's about to die. Appreciate everybody in Zoom land. Good morning to everybody. On YouTube. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for plugging into the stream. Hope you guys are here, paying attention, ready to get some knowledge and some value. And it's all about showing up every day, man. That repetition, right? Repetition is everything. There's I was watching this documentary last night on the human body and talking about the brain, the neuroplasticity. And I've learned about this before, but it's all based on repetition. So when the brain starts to see things over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, it develops a very strong memory and keeps it at the forefront of your brain. So that's why when we always talk about exercising that discipline muscle, that's really what's going on from a human brain standpoint, right? That the more the brain sees something, the more it notifies itself and notices what's going on. So that's why if you're ever in let's say you guys are you've been wanting this red Nissan Altima, and all of a sudden you get your red Nissan Altima, and then you just start seeing red Nissan Altimas everywhere. Has that ever happened to any of you guys? It's like, damn, I didn't know so many people had red Nissan Altimas. Like, you just start seeing it over and over again because your brain now is kind of like alerted. It's looking out for it, and that's why you start to see that. Now, how do we apply that to the charts? Well, you have to exercise that discipline muscle, and every time you do that, that memory and that in your brain, it just starts to stand out more and more and more and more. So now your brain starts to see things, and it knows when to execute and when to not execute. And it's all about building that muscle up, building that discipline muscle, and making that neuroplasticity, I think it's called, stronger and stronger when it comes to, viewing the charts. It's all about repetition.
It's hard to beat someone who shows up every day, consistent,
That
all
too.
the time.
That too. Yeah, repetition. That's why people do self-talk, right? That's why self-talk is so important. And that's why,
Very important.
when you write down your goals, well, you automatically put yourself with a better chance of achieving them. Because if you're writing them down, your brain and mind is seeing them all the time, then it's gonna every little decision you make, the neurons are gonna alert your brain and say, if we're making this decision, how can we make a decision to get us closer to what we know, what we notice, right? How do we get it? Basically, if your goal is to be a funded trader, your brain will start basically filtering through all your thoughts, analyzing it, and saying, is this decision going to get us closer to that goal or not? And that's going to be huge, right? That's going to be big for you. Hey, you guys can join our free Discord as well. The link is here in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, sub to the channel. We're giving away a free 20K challenge account here once we crack 1,000 subs. So once we pick the winner, as long as you're subscribed to the channel, you're gonna be able to run that 20K account. But it's all about repetition, man. Staying disciplined.
100%. That's the first step of getting better, especially in trading. Is just showing up to the charts every single day.
Yeah. How do you expect
and building that discipline muscle?
Yeah, exactly. Because how do you expect to get good at trading if you can't show up every day? And maybe you can't show up every day, but you could always. These streams are all recorded. You can go back, watch the streams, learn, right?
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but when I was building my foundation of knowledge on the charts, when I woke up to when I went to bed, I was pretty much on the charts. I was doing back testing, learning, watching videos, all stuff like that.
100%. If someone truly wants something bad enough, they'll do whatever they have to do to get that. If they truly want to
like I'm doing right now.
Exactly.
I'm making more money so I can trade.
Exactly.
I'm changing my career around so I can trade.
Yup.
I'm still locking in every morning. I'm still trying to learn as much as I can about trading.
Yup.
Even while driving to my job.
You know why that is? That's because Tandy's brain over the course of the last year and a half to 2 years has had one sole drive. I want to learn how to trade. I want to make money from trading. So now it was time for his brain to make a decision. And the only reason you see what his decision was about? That was so powerful what you just said, because his decision to go work in real estate was based off of making more money to leverage in the markets. Right?
When I see my future, man, I don't like. Of course, I want it to be like real estate too, but I want it to be trading. I want to be a trader. That is what is in my heart.
Yeah, exactly. So every decision he makes is based off of what's going to help him get closer to that goal, right?
I love this shit, man. I love it.
Facts, dude.
Me too.
Yeah, if you guys are trading nerds like we are, man, we are hooked, man. We straight up.
Yeah.
I swear, man. Ever since that first big trade I took for $300, bro, I was hooked ever since that moment.
Sorry.
I love that. Love it. All right. GJ closed. Bullish. Nice. Yeah, you guys should check that documentary out. It's on Netflix. I forgot what it was called. Something about, I don't know. You'll see. It's about the human body. What makes us human? Something like that. But you know, these are things that I learned many years ago, and have been applying them. you know, to this day. And like, I remember I told you guys at one point, like, wasn't sure like how I'm just so damn positive, but it's because of all the positive reinforcement, right, that I've given the brain. Even when I wasn't, even when things weren't positive, right? Trust me, there's plenty of days that weren't positive days, but I told myself that, because at the end of the day, everything happens for us, not to us, right? Everything is, whether you know it or not, all these things, all these failures, things that you're wondering why, you know, why this, why that, God just got something bigger for you. Bigger than you can think, you know? So sometimes when you're like trying to accomplish something or praying for something and it's not happening, it's sometimes because there's a bigger plan behind it all. Like something that you can't even think or imagine is waiting for you, something better than you could even think or imagine, right? I always say I have a chip on my shoulder a little bit when it comes to succeeding in trading, and that's because I had another business that I was extremely passionate about. Dedicated 8-9 years of my life, like I'm talking day in and day out commitment, and it didn't work out for me. It didn't work out the way I hoped. And my heart was right. I wanted to make a lot of money. I wanted to impact a lot of people. And I just wondered why, you know? And God said, I got something bigger and better for you. Because now already there's people on the stream that in the other business, I wouldn't have been able to impact you guys. Like there's people from Africa and Egypt and Uganda and, you know, Fiji and everywhere that can tap in and start to plug in with us now. And in that business, my goal was, you know, the big goal was really to make like $500,000, maybe $700,000 a year and impact people. But we would have never had the reach in that business that we have here, where we can reach people based right off these streams from multiple countries every single day. And we can make $500,000, $700,000 in a single trade eventually. So, you know, God had something bigger in store for me. And that's, you know, when I always realize, man, things happen for you, not to you, right?
Facts. To add on that, I believe people make the mistake when they're asking God for something. They think he's just going to give it to them, but he's going to give them an obstacle or something for them in their life, like you just talked about,
like a little test
to get them for what they want, to get them to what they want.
Yep.
And that's how God works.
I agree. Got to make sure you got to make you ready, right? Make you ready for
100%. It. You need to earn it.
Got to earn it. 4 hour never broke the low here. Still pretty bullish. You get a closure above there that breaks the 4 hour high as well. So
yeah.
You do have news as well at 8:30 here today, so be aware of that.
News at 8:30 the last 4 trading days.
I know.
I believe. Yeah.
Yep. Tandy, you heading out there now?
Yeah, I'm here now.
Oh, nice. He just parked. Look at my boy. Sheesh.
Hey, bro, it's that grind season, Tandy.
Not only does he get to make more money for his trading, he gets to learn a new skill set. He gets to wake up every day, get fresh, put on a nice collared shirt. Like, love it, bro.
100% go in this elevator, dude. I feel out of my element, but
yeah,
this is what sharpens the blade, you know?
Yep.
Sure,
yep. And you know, there's nothing wrong with doing what you have to do, right? We just you know, you just have to make sure you're either passionate about that and you have goals in that, or you're using that to achieve something bigger, right? So, you know, start with a full-time income and create something on the side for when that side income can double your income. It could replace it, and then you have options at that point, right? You have options.
Look at this elevator though. I've never seen this.
Tandy's about to be on the travel channel, the real estate channel, bro. Selling properties in Florida, custom building homes.
Selling Tampa. That's gonna be my show. Selling Tampa.
Pulling up in a Lambo, they're like, "Whoa, what's going on?" Real estate agents don't have that.
That's sick.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
What do you guys do for work? What do you guys in the YouTube land do for work? What else do you guys do outside of trading? I'm not sure if the chat is frozen or if it's just Monday.
Oh, this is for real.
I think the chat might be frozen or something.
Everyone's tired.
Come on, man. Y'all tired?
Wake up.
The only thing you need to be tired of is being tired of being broke, baby. Come on. Come on, man. Hey. And we're all broke, man. Unless you got $1 million or $2 million, you can't even talk about being rich. You can't even talk about being rich yet.
You have a chain of grocery stores. Nice.
Oh, dang. Oh, yeah, very nice.
That's what's up.
Yeah, I know somebody who had that as well. Do they all run on autopilot now, or is it still a lot of work for you, Muzamil? Totally agree with you. I am in FX for 2 years, lost a lot. Now for a month I tried to figure out the main cause for it. Well, I was afraid to lose money, now working on another skill. Yeah, if you're afraid to lose money, maybe you need to make more money, right, outside of trading, and then you won't be so much in fear about losing the money that you do have. Unless you're just a crazy person like me and you just go all in. And currently learning e-commerce market alongside of FX. Yeah, nice. Yeah, e-commerce is amazing. We started, me and my wife and I started an e-commerce business back in 2013 and been preaching about online businesses and selling products online, and we've been preaching that message for a long time now. And ever since the pandemic, it seemed like a lot of people have woken up to that fact, right? Autopilot, baby. That's why I'm focusing more on trading now. Beautiful. So you build something up for yourself. You put in time, you put in energy. It's on autopilot now, and now you have some time to focus on the charts and focus on trading. And Muzamil's here every day, so over the course of the next couple of weeks, next couple of months, he's gonna turn into a profitable trader. Like, if he's not profitable already, I'm not 100% sure, but he's gonna be a consistently profitable trader if he's showing up every day, learning what he has to, learning the system, and executing on it. So, yeah, man, shout out to Muzamil.
Yeah.
Hey Nick, when you're trading, do you use RR or do you just focus on pips? I focus on the chart, right? So I take a look at the chart, and it's a little bit of both, right? It's pips, it's RR, but if I'm gonna take a buy above here, right, and we get a closure above something like this, right? And let's say this is the stop loss, right? Well, this is the stop loss that the market's gonna give us, right? So the market gives us this stop loss, and then this is our buy position. Well, if I'm looking left, my stop loss is here. My entry is at this flip, let's say. And if I look left, where could I run into some issues? So I always look left to see where are those issues going to come about. So let's say right around here. So price continues to push. Let's say price looks like that and our position looks like this. Well, RR is not up to me. TP is not up to me. All that stuff is up to the market, right? The market makes those decisions for us. Because I could be like, oh, I want a 4-to-1, and I could just put this somewhere random, right? But there's no legitimacy to that. So if we look left, we notice that there's an area right here where price can struggle. So let's see, we have a 25 pip stop, and that would be about a 40 pip. So this is almost a 2-to-1 here. Main target is about a 4-to-1, but am I going to hold my full position to this point? Maybe, or I may decide to close partials right around this area where the candle is right now, right? Because that's where price is telling me, hey, secure a bag, boom, because I may hit here and just start rejecting. So normally what I would do is probably close, half or like 80% of my position and then just let the rest of it run. So it's not up to me, it's up to the market, right? The market decides where my stop loss is, where my entry is, and where my take profit is. And ultimately it decides my pips and my risk to reward. So it's all about looking left, right? You have to look left and see what price action tells us, right? A lot of your trade is not based off of what's going on right here. It's based off of what's going on over here. If that makes sense, that's pretty much what your trade is based off of. So it's all about looking left and seeing what the market is willing to give you, right? That's why we never set goals in FX. We never set daily goals in trading. There should be a goal for your trading. There should be a goal for your finances or whatever, but we're not going to set goals on a daily basis, because if this is 80 pips, if we look left and we have this resistance here at 80 pips, but your goal every day is to make 100 pips. So basically at this point, you're saying that I won't take this 80 pips right here. Even though I know it could reject, I'm not going to take it. I need 100 pips, right? Or you could just secure your profit, right? And look at price action, see what price action is saying.
100%, Nick.
All thanks to you, brother, and great community that you built on Discord. Yeah, Discord as well, guys. Tap into our free Discord as well. The link for that's in the description here. But this is our free Discord. We give out analysis every day. We have an awesome traders chat room here where we talk it up a bunch. Any announcements go in this section. We got, post your desk setup. Hey, Michi, live on the stream. Post your desk setups here. We got some big ballers out here like Bowser. See what you got going on. Prop firms, book club if you're reading any good books, any art, food if you got any food picks, pop it in here. This again, my analysis. This is the trade of the day section. So this is where we'll be breaking down every single trade we take on stream, and really dialing in deep detail on what was going on, why we took the trade, what it was all about, all that good stuff. So, and then you got your daily profits, your live streams, your charts for stream that if you guys have any charts that you want us to break down, we're more than happy to do that. And then your good old Asian session, London session, and New York session stuff here. So. And then any signals or any paid programs, if you guys want to be a part of, you just message me and we'll talk more about it. So free Discord link is in the description. You also have to be in the Discord to win the 20K challenge account. So really getting gems every day. Do you move your entry on break even when you reach 10 pips? No. So it's all about where, again, this area right here was what, 25 pips on that last example. So that's where we would move stops to break even. So it's not just a fixed, I'm gonna do it at 10 pips, or I'm gonna do it at 12 pips. Again, it's all about looking left, seeing what the market's telling us, and the market makes that decision for us, right? If it's 10 pips, it's 10 pips. But If it's 20 pips, it's 20 pips. So there's never a fixed set, you know, I'm doing this at 10 pips. So
yeah.
Can you mark, can you please show GJ? You need to mark the chart. Oh, GJ, we already did GJ. Yeah, GJ, we're just waiting. We're very, very bullish here on pound yen. So daily's very bullish, weekly's very bullish. 4 hour is trying to pump up here to close above this resistance. 1 hour, right? We need a closure above this 166.457. If we can get that, then we have clean traffic to the left, and we can look to take buys going up. Morning, AJ. What's going on, brother? But yeah, if you need to mark up your pound yen chart, this is what mine looks like. And if you want to know why it looks like this, just go back a little bit and take a look at the breakdown that we did. So it is Monday. It should be a pretty chill day. Again, we do have our range too if we are looking for buys above here as well. We just need to close above this 1 hour resistance here. But again, we are pretty bearish based off of the daily time frame, based off of the weekly here. On gold, you have a bearish weekly closure. You have a bearish daily closure. So yeah, so that's kind of like what we're looking for here on gold. Last 2 4 hour candles have pushed up though. So if we were looking for buys, right, you could look for buys above here, but you would need a range too. So if you needed a range too, it looks like we've gotten one now, right? You have this one. If you have a support being formed at this point, and you do get a close back above this level, then that should be your range too, and you should be good to continue up. You may run into a little bit of traffic, a little bit of a halt right here at 2016, but other than that, it's pretty clean up into this resistance, right? So again, going back to, would you close partials at 10 pips? Well, whatever this is, that's where I'd close partials. So let's say, what is it? 35 pips. So that's probably where I would look to, you know, move stops to break even, close partials, all that good stuff. And as you start breaking through these wicks here, man, that should give you a nice push. But gotta wait for that closure. Right, we gotta make sure that closure is there. Once that closure is there, then we could look to attempt positions here. But we do have news here at 8:30. It is we're running into the NY Open here in about 6 minutes. 30-minute candles pushing up pretty nice, created a really nice support and starting to push up now. So this is something that you could have taken advantage of as well. A nice 14 pips there. But again, you are pretty bearish. So if we were bullish on the day, I would have taken this 30-minute onion right here off the support. But we're bearish on the day, right? Overall. So until we get a close above on the 1 hour time frame, above this resistance, you know, we can't really look for buys yet, or safe buys, I should say. But again, the candle's got to get there somehow, right? That's what I always tell people, right? If that's your move, take it, right? Because if I'm waiting for a close, it's got to get there somehow. So maybe your lot size can push it up for me. Maybe your position can push it up for us. GJ 1 hour never broke the high yet. But again, we were very bullish here. Look at all this rejection here on the daily time frame. A lot of rejection.
Seriously.
If you look close enough too, they never broke the lows. So this one never broke this low. This one came right to it. I don't know if it broke it or not. I don't think it did. But it came right at it and pushed back up. So now we are pretty bullish.
Yep.
41 people watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, sub to the channel, get yourself the opportunity to win that free $20,000 challenge account, and see if you got what it takes to run it up. What it do, AJ? Morning, brother.
What's good, AJ?
AJ from the West Coast. My man. My man. Green was the first one here last night. He was a little bit early. I don't know why I don't see his let's make this a live chat here. I'm not sure. I don't know what they did here at Green. They deleted it. But I seen you, bro. Green's been here since last night waiting on the stream. $20,000 giveaway. Did I read that right? Yes. You just got to be subscribed to the channel. You also have to be following me on Instagram. There's three things to that we need to have done in order for you to win the $20,000 challenge account. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to be in our free Discord, which is right here, and the link is in the description here on YouTube. And you have to be following me on Instagram. So when we pick the winner, we're just gonna make sure that you guys are on all three platforms, and yeah, then the account's yours. The account is yours. What up, Billy Max? What's good, what's good, what's good?
What up?
Hello from Australia. It is 10 p.m. here. Ooh, wow. April 17th. Oh man, you're heading into the 18th. Welcome, welcome from Australia. And that's what I mean, gang. So like in the other business that I had, although I wanted to make a lot of money and impact a lot of people, I probably wouldn't have been able to reach people in Australia, right? It probably would have been just, you know, in the States, right? So being here on YouTube, we can impact much more people and have a way more wider reach. Based off of the power of the internet. So, and again, my goal is to make what, like 500, 600, 700,000 in that business. That would have been amazing for me, and it still is amazing, right? Like if you could make that in a year. I haven't done that yet. So, but man, to be able to see guys who I look up to make that in one trade, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
That's a motivator right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out all y'all for pulling up here and wanting to improve something in a proven area in your life. That's what's up.
Yeah.
That shows winning habits, winning traits.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Exactly. That just shows winning in general, whether you're doing that in baseball or sports or business or schooling, educate, right? This is, I mean, welcome to class, right? Like that's basically what this is. It's a class.
For real.
And if you guys can show up every day, you're going to learn, right? You're going to learn. Look up Blue Mountains, NSW, Australia. Let's look it up. Let's look it up. On YouTube or Google? Australia.
Can't wait to visit Australia.
Facts. Ooh. Let's take a look.
Any.
In this video, I'm gonna go. Oh, damn, son. Oh wow, look at those hot homes over there.
What a view.
Not this guy's face. We need a better. Oh damn.
Sheesh. God's creation, man, is beautiful.
Oh, it's 8 o'clock. You guys hear that car that starts up every day at 8? So it looks like we closed that support, which is good. You have to drive over them to get to Sydney. Oh wow. From the country. Yeah, that car starts every. That's how I know it's 8 a.m. I hear that car start up.
Alright.
You see, I like every channel I go to and video I watch now because I know I know what this YouTuber, what he feels.
Just trying to do.
Yeah, what he's trying to accomplish.
Yeah.
Cool. Blue Mountains, man. Australia looks beautiful. Would love to go.
For sure.
All right, so you have a support here. Again though, we are bearish, right, on the higher time frames. So it's tough to take buys again unless we get that close. Right? If we were bullish on the day, if this is what the daily candle looked like, the daily time frame, then we would be looking to take buys. Probably would have took buys off this 30-minute candle. But we're not bearish. I mean, we're not bullish, we're bearish here, so.
Yeah. If I'm putting
Chances
my money
are-
on a position right now,
Yeah.
I want to have an edge on it.
Exactly. You need the edge. So high chance that this candle comes down and breaks the low, excuse me, and closes something like this for us to continue down here today. I drone. Oh, that's probably cool. Probably get some good footage there. Wave after wave, wave after wave. Very, very, very high chance. Swinburne. Good morning, Jay.
Morning, my man. How you doing?
How we doing?
Good morning, Jay.
Morning, Johnny boy.
How you
Morning,
doing,
brother.
Jay? You ready for Monday?
Oh, brother, I've been waiting for Monday since Friday. G.
Me too.
100%.
Been just sitting here at the chart chat. I haven't even moved. Just literally been here since you see me on Friday. Haven't even changed. Oh, well, yeah, I was wearing something different on Friday. I've just been sitting here looking at my computer ever since we ended the stream Friday.
Oh, haven't moved?
Haven't moved a muscle.
That Pablo Escobar meme, just waiting right there on the computer. With your arms crossed, just
Exactly.
looking at the screen all sad.
Yeah. Exactly. What you do this weekend, Jay? Anything?
Oh man, just a couple things for work and just catch up on some sleep, honestly.
Nice.
Yeah, nothing crazy.
I gotta tell you something, but I gotta tell you privately.
Oh damn! All right, for sure.
Later.
All right.
Later, Gator. Do, 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 do. Okie dokie, smoky.
You guys looking for buys or sells this morning?
So mainly buys. We're open to taking. I mean, we're open to mainly sells because we are pretty bearish based off the weekly and the daily. But I am open to taking buys above this 2011 off of the 1 hour time frame. If you get a close.
Dude, I was looking at that too.
Yeah.
Looking at that too. 1 hour bottom wick respects that low above that support. Take it up.
Yeah, because you know how we always talk about like range 1, range 2 when we're going against the daily. So like this would be range 1. Like that was the range you were in last night between here. And now you have this push up and push down to create that new resistance, new support. So if we end up getting a close now back above, then it's pretty clean. Pretty clean for buys.
Clean.
Yeah.
Who else is on the chat? Oh, Tandy, good morning.
Tandy's in the house. I think Tandy's in the office already.
Yeah, he probably has us in his headphones.
Yeah. That's commitment. Expensive place to live, but very nice. Ooh. Rich in multicultural and beautiful city. Yeah, we'll have to go to Sydney, Australia, and the great, what was it called again? Blue Mountains? Blue Mountains of Australia, yeah. Blue Mountains. Take a look at GJ here. Closed bearish. 1 hour closed bearish. 4 hour dumping back down a little bit. 30 minute just consolidating. So yeah. Got news here in about 15-20 minutes. Live chat. Live chat. Tandy's looking smooth too today.
How'd you see him?
Oh, he was on here. He was on here for a minute, and then
That man jumps on way too early now. I don't even get to see.
Hey, we got 45, 46 people liking, watching. Can we get some likes? Hook us up with a like, man. Hook us up with a like.
Since we got a little time, let me jump on and give you a like on both of these real quick.
We got some time. Enough time for you to scroll down and press that thumbs up. Discord ID. Discord is in the. So if you look in the description here, on the description on the stream, then you'll find the Discord link. It's updated too. I think I just put it in there. Tandy, take me out. He's looking good, eh? He's looking good. That boy. That's a handsome boy right there. I need a security guard for the FX Summit. Hey, are you going, AJ? Because I'm going. Morning, Ken FX. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Let's set the tone for the week here. Give me 1 sec, chat. I'll be right back. We got rain for the first time here in about 2 months in Tampa.
Where it's raining today?
It rained last night. I think it might still be raining a little bit. But man, we haven't had rain since like February. Maybe a little bit here and there during the evening, during the nighttime. But no rainy days here in about almost 3 months. May or may not go, not sure yet. Gotcha. Yeah, at this point, we're gonna wait for the news here. Wait for the news and see where that puts us. I was talking to a few guys at the summit who are speaking at the summit. So I'll probably be going down there, linking with some of them guys. I'm trying to put us on the map, chat. I'm friends with some of the guys, you know. I talk with them pretty frequently, so some of the big names that you guys know about in trading. I won't say any names yet, but got a lot of friends that are killing it in this game. And it's good to talk to them guys, man. Good to talk to them guys on a daily basis. Them guys, you know, they got a lot of big followings, and some of them have YouTube, some of them don't, but they all have communities, and it's good to bounce ideas off of them guys. So, and they know who we are, right? They're gonna know us. So when we come and we pull up, you know, they're already gonna know. They already know about time to eat. So we're getting on the map. No name calling. Yeah, exactly. Give me 1 sec. Let me just fix this thing. All right, we good. Drizzy Banks is the GOAT on GJ. Drewski. That was one of the first guys who, one of the first like little mentorship groups I joined was his. Had no idea about trading back then. He would send me a signal at like 4 in the morning. I'd wake up at like 5:30 and just signal would be like, sell GJ now. I'll wake up an hour and a half later, just sell GJ. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Let it breathe. He'd be like, remove stop loss. Let it breathe. I'm like, wait, remove the stop loss? Like, isn't that the that line that's protecting me from losing all my capital? Yeah, let it breathe, man. There was a method to the madness. Man, chat's frozen. I'm gonna have to close down the YouTube and just straight up Zoom this session today. Make it a quick stream. 8:17. What you got going on today, John?
Not much, bro. Just chilling, and I gotta go to school, and then after that, I'm chilling.
Nice.
Yeah, not doing much at the gym, maybe.
Yeah, Johnny boy getting that new setup pretty soon.
Yes, sir.
Word.
100%. Gotta get a new computer, some magic keys.
Ooh, baby.
Yeah, it's about to get lit. Excited.
Man's about to move, get his own office too.
Yep. It's exciting. Can't wait.
Bro, the new magic keys, I had to get them.
You got it, Jay?
Yeah, I ordered it. Looked dope.
Oh,
Yeah,
They
cool.
sold me on the aluminum and the backlit keyboard. That's all he had to say. Sturdier aluminum casing with a backlit keyboard. I was like, oh shit, all right.
Oh, nice.
$200. All right, cool.
200?
Yeah, with the shipping and everything, bro.
Oh,
It's
dude.
185 with shipping and everything. It's like,
Oh, yeah. That's right.
It's like
185. Yeah, I forgot. Yep. I think I paid 150 for mine.
yup.
Did he increase the
Roger.
price?
He increased it, bro. And it ain't because it's aluminum.
I don't blame him.
It's recession time.
I don't blame.
Makes sense.
Yesterday's price ain't today's
Word.
price.
Raja needs that extra
That extra
25 bucks.
$30.
That's like a month's worth of electricity and rent in Pakistan for him.
An extra 25 bucks is like 20 grand in fun gambling money.
Facts. This the new setup I'm getting, John. This is what Jay put me on. So Alienware,
Jeez, there it
computer,
is,
and this monitor, this 32-inch curved LED.
Oof.
my man still has that up since like that one.
Yeah.
Right.
Yup.
He had it saved.
I
I'm
wanted
gonna
to.
have to get that.
I think I'm gonna add this as well. This is for my main monitor, right here. But I want to. I want to get
nice.
the wide one. I just want to get it curved.
Damn.
I'll be honest with you, the curvature, bro, doesn't really do much to the eyes, but I mean, I guess if you like it, you know.
Yeah,
what I mean?
the flat one's pretty good also.
Yeah,
It has
it's
a
just
nice,
mostly
good
like,
look to it.
You feel like the immersive feeling, but
Yeah.
it's up to your preferences.
Yeah.
Oh. That's only $279.
Yeah.
Wow.
So here's the curved one for $379. So I'm definitely going with the Alienware computer.
Mhm.
It's just all about mix and matching the monitors a little bit.
Yeah.
But this is what I'm definitely going with.
Hell yeah, dude. Dude, I was gonna tell you, if you actually want to get it for like a better deal, if you go onto Dell's website and you get it financed through them, where you get 12 months zero like interest on it.
Oh,
And if you
nice.
pay it off, then you can also customize it too if you want.
Oh, nice, not bad.
So yeah, you can add more RAM, or you can add a bigger memory to it, or other stuff to it if you want.
Yep. Oh, Jose got Alienware. Definitely recommended. That's what I use.
Hell yeah, dude. Alienware is the way to go.
The new Samsung 55-inch.
Ooh.
Yeah, 55-inch. That'd be perfect. Yeah, I'm about to deck this office out a little bit. I feel like it's a little boring for YouTube. A little boring.
Gold buys coming in.
This room's a lot bigger than you guys think, too. It doesn't look too big. I remember when my brothers came here, they were like, damn, this room's actually pretty big. It's like, yeah, it looks a little small in the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, market is sideways. Let's get this breakout up. I'm from Pakistan. Nice. Pakistan. I have two 49-inch Samsung curved monitors attached. Oh, on top of each other. Send me a pic. Oh, Jose, send a pic in the Discord. If you can. If you can. Under this section right here, desk setup. Let's take a look at it. This is Bowser's setup, man. This thing is clean. I want one curved, and then I don't need two. I just want one curved and then two monitors up top. One for all the streaming stuff. One for probably like MT5 and stuff like that, and then one for us. Yeah, if you can, take a pic, send it, and put it in this desk setup. I'd like to take a look at it. Oh, we got two Pakistan. Hey, imagine you guys are neighbors. Where's Green? Is Green in here? Green bought the new Magic Keys also. He didn't buy me one. I don't know what happened there, but... There he is, Mr. Question. I sent you my discount code. Thank you very much, Green. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. I still have faith that I'm gonna have a package at my door from Green. New Magic Keys. But he hasn't asked me for my new address yet, so I'm a little on edge about that. He told me he didn't get me one, but I still think it's a bit of a joke. I'm expecting that package, Green. Yeah, nah, the new Magic Keys looks fire. I don't really need one. I have this one. I bought it last year. It's perfectly fine. I remember Raja, he'd been using the version 1. It's like, bro, you're a multi-millionaire. You own the product. And you're still using the version 1 with one of the buttons broken. But there's a message there, right? Like, he's very, if I don't need it, why am I going to buy it, right?
Yeah.
There's a big difference between wanting something and needing something. Okay. Oh yeah, we got some Pakistan. There you go. If you guys want Magic Keys, there's the link for it. You get 10% off with Green's discount code. Because he's got it like that. He's got it like that up there at Magic Keys headquarters. Hey Green, if you can put the link to the Discord too. So you guys could join the free Discord that we have. And in order to win that $20,000 account, you have to be in the Discord and subscribe to the channel. So just make sure you're having both of those. We're almost there. We're over the hump. We're going to be giving that account away when we have 1,000 subscribers. So the day that we crack 1,000 is the day we're going to give it away. We ain't going to waste no time. And we're going to give it away live on stream too. We're going to give it away live.
Nice.
That'll be the first of many giveaways.
Yo, Chad, who's got magic keys?
I do. I think Tandy got magic keys too. I think he might have the on screen. I'm sure there's quite a few people that use magic keys.
Yeah, I would think.
All right, this is good. Starting to head down before news here. News should push us down, and I'm okay with missing this move right here and taking sells below here if news happens to push us down, because below here we have like super clean candles to the left hand side, right? So I wouldn't mind just taking sells from right here. But that's what we can anticipate, right? Being that the daily candle is bearish, that's why we didn't take any buys there. So shout out to everyone who was patient and didn't have to take a trade, right? It's Monday, man. I got to trade, right? Just sit tight and relax. We got news coming out here in a couple minutes, and then after that news release, we will see where we can jump on the train. If you guys haven't liked the stream, please give us a like here on the stream. And as we have predicted this move here, give us a like. We got 50 something people watching, 39 likes. Hook it up, man. Hook it up. Perfect. Perfect. Daily candle is on its way to flipping bearish after creating a top wick. Nice top wick here as well. Hello from Slovakia. Oh, damn. Hello. Adam Bella in the house. Welcome,
what up, Adam?
Welcome, welcome. What is the deal? Welcome to the stream. Slovakia. Amazing. The power of the internet never seems to amaze me. Hey, Toon in the house. Oh, Toon says, look at GJ. Yeah, GJ, we need a close on the 1 hour here. If we can get a close above there on the 1 hour time frame, we're good. We're good. 4 hour never broke the low. So we are bullish here on the day, right? Weekly's bullish, daily's bullish. 4 hours still chopping around. As long if we can get a closure above here on the 1 hour, that's where we'll look to take our buys. But we have the news coming out, so let's watch it here on the 30-minute time frame. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And here's the news. Boom, baby. All right. Pushing down, pushing down. 1 hour is looking good. 4 hours looking good. About to break these 4 hour lows. Clean. Right? We're just waiting for price to do what we're expecting it to do. There goes the 4 hour low. Perfect. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Daily candles flipping bearish. Come on, baby. Come on, man. We called all this. Now let's see if we could stay. We broke the 4-hour lows here. 1 hour, broke the 1 hour lows. We reflipped bearish here on the daily, broke these lows here. Should be good. We got no top wick, but that's because we got a lot of volume that dumped in. Chances are this candle most likely won't make a top wick. But yeah, looking good. So let's just wait for a candle to close now, and like I said too, I don't mind missing this whole range right here. This is fine. Close below here would be perfectly fine. We'll look to take it down to 1994-ish.
Back towards the daily low.
Yep. You have a huge wick to fill here. If you get a close below, you got a really nice wick fill right here. GJ, nice. So GJ's pushing up pretty good. So things are playing out on both pairs right now. So we're just waiting for candles to close at this point. And we'll be looking for some positions on this lovely Monday. Where's brother Joe? Is Joe in the house?
Should be in the chat.
Should be in the chat. I'm sure Joe had a nice arm day today at the gym. Got a nice pump. 660 subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Joe, how was arm day today, pal? Hey, this is our song too. It's our song here, boys. Let's go, clear this whole range. Daily candle is now back to bearish. Perfecto. We can even have a possible entry off the 15-minute as well. Give me 1 sec. Pushing. Take profits are gonna be so if we're looking at the daily, right? Where could this daily candle end up? Well, we could retest the lows here today. So that's probably gonna be the target here. 1988, right around the support. So you got a clean range coming down here. It's about a 120, 130 pip range. Want to see a close though below here. So that was the news. Chances are the spreads were ridiculous at that point. I didn't even look. But GJ's pumping up, gold's pumping down. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's looking good.
GJ, I'd rather wait for the hour to close up. That would also be the 4-hour close and above as well. So I'd rather wait for that on GJ. But gold, I may be interested in even seeing like a 15-minute candle close.
All right, boys, I'm gonna head off here.
Oh no.
Fortunately, school's got to take my time.
Oh, school.
School.
Fuck school, man.
I wasn't gonna say it.
It's all good. Do your thing, playa.
All right, cool. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
You don't have to go to school today, dude.
That's right. It's a Monday, bro.
Right?
Skip school Mondays.
That's right.
Like, oh, I thought it was Sunday.
Word. We'll see. Maybe I'll hop back on Zoom.
You hop back on Zoom in class.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us hear what your
Let you guys-
teacher's talking
Yeah,
about.
let you guys see what the hell I'm seeing.
Word. Oh, nah. Oh, look at this. All right, Johnny boy, love you, buddy. I'll see you later. All right?
I love you too, bro.
Later,
Catch
player.
y'all.
All right,
Peace,
peace.
peace, chat. Peace.
Nice. I like this setup right here. That's like what Jay got. Nice 2 monitors, nice screen. Simple but clean. Simple and clean, baby. Dope. Very nice. 2 42s and a 55. Cool. Yeah, nice. Got this one sideways. I like it. I like it. The close below here isn't bad either. Close below, push down. Not too bad. What's that look like here? Probably wouldn't be able to take that off the 15 though. It's a little choppy here. Five pushing back up. Pushing. This is school, yeah, hell yeah. Just get a bunch of other kids to ditch with and go grab some sun grub. Remember National Skip School Day or whatever it was?
Yep.
You remember that?
Yep. I think that was like every day though.
Yo, no lie, I started skipping school in elementary school. There was like this where I used to live, me and my cousin, there was this big like shed that was like kind of near our bus stop. And bro, we would just hide behind that shed till the bus drove away, and then boom, we'd go back to my house because my parents went to work, and they went to work like really early in the morning. So like ever since I was a young kid, I always had like a key to the house. I could get in after school and all that. And yeah, we would just go to my house.
Make breakfast, chill until 2:30 p.m. Bro, same thing, bro. My mom, I would know exactly when she was going to work.
Yeah, man.
Exactly when she was coming back.
Yeah.
When people were like, I remember one time, it was like that, like a official day, people were planning to skip school. And there was like 6 cars just lined up on the side of my house. And my mom was like, oh, it looks like the neighbors had like a party last night. A bunch of cars outside.
Meanwhile, you and your friends.
Motherfuckers were just all waiting in the backyard while my mom was pulling out the front yard and shit.
That's
That shit
hilarious.
Oh, man.
And back then, like cell phones weren't as popular. So like,
yeah.
Once your mom was at work,
cents.
yeah, like my mom didn't even have a cell phone at that point. Well, like the only way I could call her would be to call like her work phone at her office. Skip school, 12th grade, at least 1 or 2 times a month. That's not good, Anthony.
12th grade, you should have been skipping all year.
Me and Anthony were in 9th grade together. We had a couple classes together. Yeah. That's where we met.
That's crazy.
We would I remember we would walk around with BB guns, shoot BB guns all the time. Remember that? Me and Anthony.
Oh, shit.
Me and Anthony spent a good like that year of 9th grade, we hung out like almost every day.
Terrorizing the neighborhood with BB guns and shit.
Bro, I walked out with the shotgun rifle BB gun once. I just tucked it in my pants, bro.
Cops didn't do nothing to you because they saw the orange tip. It's like, it's an orange tip, it's fine. It ain't gonna do nothing.
That's when the iPod came out. Our one boy, he had the first iPod, I think, out of anyone. It was a big iPod. Oh man.
The brick. Yeah.
Yeah, the big brick.
It was like a hard drive in itself.
It's like you didn't even have to use Napster or the other one anymore. You just carried a big thing in your pocket and you had all the songs you wanted.
Yo.
That was amazing.
Good times.
Good days those were.
Yep.
Bro, I'd be skipping school too, but if I did that, I'm gonna fail, and I ain't trying to fail. Hey, ain't nobody trying to fail. We ain't trying to fail in nothing. Go to school and be...
okay, nowadays you can buy your diploma.
Be great today.
You guys know that.
If he was in like 9th grade, I'd probably be like, yo, just screw school, bro. But it's his last year.
Yeah,
he's like his last
at the
month.
finish line.
Word.
It's like basically saying, I'm just not gonna finish this already.
Yeah,
it's one more month until graduation. Fuck all this.
That'd be pointless. Doctor's note, bro. I had it all planned out. Anthony lived on this street, bro. It was hilarious. It was bro, like it was a street where a lot of like Puerto Rican people lived. Like I think it was only Puerto Rican people on that street. And bro, you just see, it looked like little Puerto Rico, dude. There'd be little chihuahuas running around, crossing the street. It was nuts. Yo, why do all Puerto Ricans have chihuahuas, man? Anthony, what's up with that, bro?
They have a new rule. If you miss 20 days, you have to do the year over.
Oh, damn, son.
Fuck off.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that shit did not exist when we were there. That would have been the worst rule.
Yeah, John's not gonna skip. He's gonna graduate and move on with his life.
Graduation.
All right, this is pretty clean. The 15-minute, I think, closing no bottom weight though.
Yeah, and so did the 5. It's coming near a support zone here too.
Yeah, 15 closing no bottom wick here, so no position for us just yet. Want to see how the hourly and the 4-hour close here, because it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at GJ here. GJ is looking good too, coming on up. We're looking to target this clean traffic here to the left on GJ for about 40 pips or so, 45 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. Whew. Yeah, everything looks pretty clean though so far. Wow, look at this move. Clean traffic. Doesn't want to burn. Candle 1 hour could close. Mean sells also. So let's see. 1 hour close. Yes, exactly. We're gonna wait for this 1 hour here. Close up in about 10, like 14 minutes. 13 minutes. 13 minutes and 14 seconds to be exact. Buy stop at GU. With a 10 pip stop. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, it looks clean. We talked about this though. We talked about this move. So now if we get a close below, we are good. It may be some sort of a 30-minute celery play also, because we have a new 4-hour candle, right? So that 4-hour candle has to create some sort of a top wick as well at some point. Well, it doesn't have to, but it's highly likely to. And we need a stop loss, right? Because now our stops are up here. That's not going to work. That's going to be like 109 pips. No way. I kind of stopped watching Don. The 5-minute chart has too much noise. Oh yeah, 5 minutes, way too noisy. Especially to look at all session. Maybe for entry, right? For an entry or something, not bad, but I think, personally, I think the 1 hour is the cleanest time frame that you can watch. Like, this looks simple, right? Very simple. We go to the 5-minute. Oh my god. What is going on here? So I think the 1 hour is the cleanest, and it works best for me. I have really good results on the 1 hour and the 30-minute. 5-minute, not so much. Higher the time frame, stronger the data. That's why you always look for positions based off of higher time frames, right? Daily, weekly, 4 hour, because the data is a lot stronger there. Close like this though would be beautiful, something like that. And then next candle should drive. 4 hours clean too. 4 hours really nice. This was our daily top wick right here, right? These two bullish candles pumping up, right? That's what the daily time frame looks like on the 4 hour. This is all that noise on the 4 hour is just this top wick here. Right? 4 hour push up, this creates a top wick. Same thing with the 1 hour, right? You have this push up, all this is doing is creating a top wick. And now we're pushing back down. Price looks like it will close above the sell level on this 1 hour. Well, we don't know that for another 9 minutes. We still got 9 minutes in the candle. But would you go for buys targeting to clean traffic up? No. I wouldn't go for buys yet. Look at the daily candle. Right, we have a bearish close. This daily candle should drive down and tap into these areas down here. So I wouldn't jump on buys too quick. Weekly as well, you can see this weekly start pumping down. I do like buys though above 2011. Yeah, if we close above, I would like to see us close above, but also close above here, and then also push up, and then maybe get a closure above here at 9:30, right? So that way we could take advantage of volume. All right, something like this. Then I would look to take buys, because we are going against the trend, right? If we're taking buys, we're going against the trend, but we do have this range. This was your first range. This is now your second range. And if you if I had a line right here, it would say range 2 breakout. So that range 2 would be made up of this right here, range 1, and now this is the range 2 breakout above here. And then we could look, or I could look for price to continue on up. Know what I'm saying? Not me. If not, market structure will still stay saying we will go up. Okay, so we are going off the daily engulfing. Yeah, always. So anytime we're looking for positions in our session, we're always looking at the daily and making sure that if the previous close was bearish, then we're prioritizing sells today, right? We're gonna be looking for sells, but we also look for buys, but we just need that range too. And if this candle closes above and the next one closes above here, then that's gonna be our range 2 breakout. So that's when we'll jump on the buys. But anything in here is just chatter. Heavily bearish on the day. Ooh, can we get the closure here? 5 minutes. So yeah, I think so. We got a nice resistance drop, push back up, resistance. I think we can close below. I think we can close below. Four-hour looking good. I mean, you could take advantage of the new 4-hour top wick for buys, but again, you're going against you're going against what the move is actually printing, right? Because we can make a top wick all the way up here. So those are buys that someone could take advantage of. But that someone is just not me. That might be you, but it's not me. I'd rather let this happen and then take my sells going down. Hey, but some people, their plan may be after every bearish candle, I'm gonna scalp the top wick. It's just tough to figure out a TP because you don't really know where that top wick is gonna be formed at and where it can start pulling back at. Whew. What's the weather looking like today? Here in the great state of Florida. Oh. Low 80s today, not bad. It's better than low 90s. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes for this close. Looks good though. Rainy in Naples today? Oh, yeah, it was raining. Raining earlier. I think it might have slowed up now. But yeah, it rained all night here. Rained all night, but it looks like the day should be pretty nice. No more rain. Cloudy up until about noon and then just straight sunshine. Oh, we got some new friends on IG. Okay. Yeah, follow my Instagram, guys. It's right here. It's my name with a underscore at the end. If it doesn't have that, then it's a fake account. A lot of fake accounts. Oh, we have 40% of rain till 3. Rainy in Orlando. Yeah, it's raining here today. Hey. Y'all boys know words of wisdom? Anything is possible. Ooh. We chatting a little. We chatting. He's got a great podcast. You guys go check out Words of Wisdom. Not wisdom, but wisdom. We cooking up, man. We cooking up, chat. Yeah, you see, I blocked it already. A bunch of scam pages, man. Bunch of scannies. Be aware, I'm never gonna hit you up on Instagram. I'll say it right now. I will never hit you up on Instagram asking if you want to be a part of mentorship or invest into Bitcoin or any of that stuff. All right, sweet. So we got a close below. This is perfect. So now this is the beginning of a new 4-hour candle. 4-hour close below, 1-hour close below here. Now we just need a top wick because right now our stop loss is way up here. We need a top wick here to create a new stop loss. Otherwise, we can't take anything, right? So something like this would be ideal. Keep our stops above here. You know, look to take partials down here and full TP down here. But we need that top wick. 30-minute celery play would be pretty decent as well. $15-minute celery entry, 15-minute stops. Oof. That ain't bad, bro. What's that stop looking like? 49 pips. I think I'd rather see a top wick here on this 30 and then maybe a 30-minute celery play. So that would be cool because basically you would have a 15-minute push up and a close below this line. So you would leave a new wick, right? So a new wick may even be lower than this wick. And then that would lead to a 30-minute celery play. So top wick. And then we have, so the celery play, in my opinion, always work, not even in my opinion, just from what I've seen, always works better when there's a bottom wick on the bearish candle. So you see how this one has no bottom wick? But if we go to the 30-minute, the celery play looks a lot cleaner. So if we get a bullish close like this, you have those two wicks there. So something like this, right? And then we could look to take, so, and then that would be at 9:30, right? So there would be NYSE volume coming in. And anytime there's volume coming in, that's when wicks get filled. And if you look left, there is a wick right here, right, to get filled. And that usually will typically happen during times of volume. So that's where we could look to, you know, secure profits. But I'm willing to miss out on this 15 celery to wait for the 30 for a much stronger confirmation. You basically have the same trading plan as Don Vo? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, so if we go back and you remember how Don traded for the last 2 years, that's pretty much how I trade. Mix of that and Raja. That is what I would basically call a 3-bar play, yeah? Yeah, Don calls it the celery play, we call it the celery play, so I do trade just like Don. Remember, I sat on Don's stream for the last 2 years and took everything in. I just never switched over to the 5-minute. I personally don't like the 5-minute. 15-minute celery looks risky, yeah. Rather take it on the 30-minute. Me too. Me too. Much stronger confirmation and it looks much better. Yeah, Raja's a bit more aggressive. Like Raja probably would have took a sell at the break of this wick right here because he's a savage. He's a savage. Me personally, I'd rather just wait. If this candle can close and not really move much, just go back and forth, bullish to bearish right now, this would be perfect because we could have our stops sitting here, entry here, and then we can come down and fill this wick. That's ideally what I'm looking for here. And at that point, we minimize our stop, right? Because the 15-minute was like, what, 50 pips? And this would be around 20 pips with a much stronger confirmation. Did I hear you say you live in Orlando? No, Tampa. Tampa. And then boom, we take ourselves coming down. So position would look something like this. Wherever this wick is, it's 30-minute wick. And entries on the break of the low. Oh, I live in the Villages. Oh, really? Oh, wow. The Villages. I thought those were for like, retirement or seniors. Well, I don't know how old you are, but Is that true or no? I know where the villages are. You know where Bruce B. Downs is? Bruce B. Downs. Oh, I'm retired. Yeah, okay, cool, cool. Yeah, I know where that's at. I know where that's at. I don't think that's too far from where I'm at. You know where, yeah, 56, yeah. Oh, I thought you meant Route 56. Oh, nice, man. 56, 57, trading, perfect. 1 hour salary, there, 15-minute salary, that's not bad. Nice top wick there. That might be the play. I'd still rather wait here for 9:30. But yeah, 15-minute salary there. Not bad at all. Quick 12 pips. Yeah, because if we wait for the 30 here, well, if you have a 15-minute salary, you're breaking those lows. Well, chances are the next 15 minutes going to be your driver, right? At 9:30. That's going to be the candle that really does the work. So I'm totally fine with waiting for that. 9:30 is when the volume comes in. That'll be our best bet. Do you know where Bruce B. Downs is? I think it's off of 56 or something. Yeah, 20 buys for me above 2011 here. Based off of the 1 hour. Strong resistance. But we should be good to continue down here. Shady Records. Yeah, 5 is clean too. Below that support, clean traffic. 24 pips. See, that's why I didn't budge on the 15-minute salary. Escargot, my cargo. This is perfect, man. If we stay below here, we're good. We're Gucci. But Anthony, you see why it was best to probably wait, right? Because again, the higher the time frame, the stronger the data. And one thing we notice is from 9 to 9:30, it's typically not going to be the move. That's really going to be the liquidity. The move's going to happen at 9:30 when the stock exchange opens up. that's when the big move is going to happen. So that's why I'm always willing to let that one go, just because of what I've seen in the past, right? Is that from 9 to 9:15 to 9:15 to 9:30, those candles are, typically those candles are going to be very stagnant. They're going to be up and down. They're going to be, you know, finding direction. And then 9:30 is going to be your move, right? 9:30 to 10, and then it should continue at that point. So you always want to be aware of you know, when the volume is going to dump in, and if you can wait for volume, that's going to be, you know, your best bet. Now, if your stops are up here, I mean, you're still straight, but you know, why not wait for something you know has a higher win rate, right? That's all. But yeah, typically you're gonna find 9 to 9:30 is, remember, because that's a new 4-hour candle, so it's gonna take a little time for the 4-hour to want to create a top wick, right? Which is what we've done here, and now it should be good to go down. So let's see if the 15 can close below the support, because if that happens, then we could probably look to get in positions a little early and keep our stops above there. But if that's our 30-minute high, that's perfect. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, sub to the channel. We are here every single morning. So Monday through Friday, you come trade with us, come vibe with us, ask any questions in the chat. But everything's looking pretty clean so far. Let's take a look at pound yen as well. Oh, we rejected that area. So yeah, we need to see a close above here on GJ. If we can get that close above, then yeah, we're good to go. Got a pretty clean range here. You got a wick fill of like 9 pips, and then, you know, coming up here for about 30 pips. Let's see if Johnny Boy is gonna come on Zoom from school today. 15's gonna close here in about 2 minutes. If it doesn't close below, then we'll just wait. We'll wait for the next 15. If it doesn't close below, then we may just chop around here for another 15 minutes in this range, and then hopefully we get our breakout. Yeah, so we're gonna hold off here and wait for 9:30. Hey, whatever happened to that guy, Alan? Is Alan on the stream? Alan. Whatever happened to my man Alan? We were trying to raise some money for Alan. All right, looking good. You get a 15 close, you know, at 9:30 here. That's even more confirmation for us. How's UJ, bro? I don't really trade UJ, so I'm not too sure. GJ though, not bad. 15-minute no bottom wick though. Oh, here it comes. I'm a little bit more locked in on gold here though. UJ though, I don't think it's pretty good. I don't think I really ever traded at UJ that much. Maybe in the beginning. What are you looking for? Sell? Yes, sell. So we got volume coming up here in a few minutes. So probably gonna wait for this candle to close, and next candle should drive. This next candle should be our driver. That's gonna be the candle we're looking to trade. Stops are most likely gonna be this high here, this 30-minute high. For about 30 pips as of right now. And then TP, first TP is probably going to be about this wick fill. And then you can come down to here. This is a 100 pip move here, so. If you guys haven't liked the stream though, give the stream a like and a sub. And turn your notifications on so you can be here every time that we stream. I think I might start streaming a Sunday breakdown. It'll be a quick, I either may just create the video and post it, or might go live for that. Still thinking about it, but maybe a Sunday breakdown, and maybe go over the trades for the week and then what we're looking for in the upcoming week. We'll see. Give me 1 sec here, chat. guys see how the volume's not there, right? We're waiting for volume right now. And that is gonna happen in 7 minutes. GJ's pumping. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. So 30-minute resistance would be right here. Nice. GJ pushing. Pushing. All right. Yeah, we got a couple more minutes here, and then gold should start to have some volume dump in. Looks good. Hey. Yeah, as long as we close bearish here below, this is clean. We'll keep our stops up here. Not bad, not bad, not bad. See, this position will probably give us a better RR, right? It'll give us a better reward. It'll also give us a better stop loss. And what are we doing? Practicing that discipline muscle, right? That we always talk about. So you guys are, those of you who are still hanging tight, sitting still, you are getting repetitions in discipline. And guess what you're gonna need to be a successful trader? Discipline. Discipline, baby. And GJ is pretty clean as well. If we don't get gold, we can look towards GJ. Looks like you are closing above. You can close above here. As long as we close above this resistance here, then we should be clean to continue up. Next candle at 9:30 should be able to pop. Oh, here's John. Let's see if he's coming in from school. Or maybe not. There he is. Just in time for the NYSE Open.
Yo, what's going on?
Yo.
Everyone be quiet.
Bro, where?
Right now, 5 minutes.
Oh, teacher's also watching the 5 minute.
Teacher is watching the 5 minute. Tell him higher the time frame, stronger the data.
You took a quiz on Friday.
This guy sounds retarded. That guy's the teacher?
I didn't put the grades in yet. Okay.
Yep.
But if you didn't take it, we're obviously gonna make that up. I'm gonna give an assignment. There's only gonna be one this week. We might start another one. I might do the movie first, okay, we'll see. But
Oh man.
if I start the other one, then
That's too funny. We're gonna do one assignment this week. Let me get my magic keys set up here. Possible GJ position. Hold your ears. All right. Gold pushing up, right? Yeah, gold pushing up here. Let me see something. It's tapping into that 1 hour support. This one right here. Yeah, we may have to wait for gold. Can we close below? Doom, 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 doom. Oh, GJ ducking back too. Ducking back down. Naughty, naughty. Oh, hopefully you don't miss the trade. Moves a mill. All right, let's get ready because it is 1 minute here. So let's lock it in here. Stops are gonna be the 30-minute high. We just need to see this candle close below. And we should be good here. So stops are going to be up here, about 25 pips. And then TP is going to be down. Probably look to secure partials at this wick fill here. Yeah. All right. Gonna need a little bit of a top wick on this 30. All right, gonna have sell stops there at the break of that low on this 30-minute time frame here. Come up to make a top wick, perfect. So sell stops at the break of the low. TP is gonna be up here. I mean, stop loss is gonna be up here, TP down here. And gonna go risk free and close partials right at this wick fill. Perfect. Good top wick. We re-break that low. That'll be the sell stop. So I'll re-add this once we get activated. But we're coming close. Can we get activated? Gotta break that low. All right, so it looks like I've been activated here into some sells. Stop loss is going to be this 30-minute high. TP is going to be down here, and then probably go risk free when we break this wick and then close some partials at this wick fill here. But we should have volume coming in now to drive us down. And that's going to be the trade. Now, just patience. Need music for when we enter a trade. This music's pretty good. Not too shabby. All right, so I'm probably gonna go risk-free at this point here. Move stops to break even. Oh shit. Whoopsies. What's up with my stop loss at entry? Move stops to break even at that wick fill. Hey buddy. So that's about 15 pips. So stops are going to break even. 15 pips up. See if we could fill this wick and continue down here now. All right, breaking this wick, perfect. Perfecto. Should continue down now here, chat. Breaking this wick, should see some volume dump in. Very nice. Hey, Joey Stu with a W. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna close partials right around here, about 20 pips. So closing partials right there, 20 pips up. And let's see if we can get the rest of it to drive, man. Well, that was about 24, 25 pips, nice. Should be good to drive, at least to fill this wick right here. But I closed partials as well once we broke the wick. My stops are at break even, so W, Uncle Scalp. Nice, bro. So let's put that on the board here. This should drive. This should really drive here. I'm very confident in it. There you go. Okay. So let's go to April. So this was 9:30 a.m. And what do we have? 4:17. There we go. 30 pips up. Looking clean, looking clean. This was gold. This is sell, breakout, current 30-minute, full risk, 24, 24. Oh no, I didn't close full yet. So let's see if we can keep it going. Up 21 pips. Yeah, I'm up about 27 pips here. 27, 29, 30 pips. Locked in some profits already, so there we go. Push them down. Perfect. Pushing. That this line will make it 40 pips, so if you took that trade, spam some W's in the chat. Free trade given. Who made money today? Who made money? Who made some money today? Anthony made some money. Forex Trader made some money. Oh, Greenery made some money. Uncle Scalp made some money. Very nice. Who else made some money today? Oh, 21 pips. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Joe made some money. Very nice. We got some money made today. We got some money made today. Hey, nice. Very nice. Good work, boys. Good work, good work. I have another partials right here to be taken, so. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, no close above, no real drive. You see that? No real drive. We may be waiting for the 1 hour here. Pound yen. This looks very clean. Very, very clean. Uncle Scalp with 2%. Nice. Good work. Yeah, beautiful position, man. 930 volume. That's what we waited for, right? We said when the volume comes in, that's when we'll get the dump. Had a little bottom wick, came up, created a nice little top wick, and then that's when you seen the dump. I think I seen 30 something, yeah, 35 on that. So we should continue down here still. Hey, yo. See if we can close another half. Yeah, once we break the low, I'm gonna close another half. All right, close another half right there. Boom, and we should tap into this line now. Perfect. Beautiful. Well, would you look at that? First W, let's fucking go. Let's go. Yeah, good work everybody. Way to stay patient today. Way to stay composed. Right? We seen this. We didn't budge on this. We kept to our plan, and we knew that the volume would dump in at 9:30 here, right? So all right, that's beautiful, man. Is John still here? I wonder if he took that. So I closed another half here, so we were just shy of it, but that's fine. We should continue down though. My TP's 1992. Damn, huh? That's not bad. That's that wick, right? Yeah, right here. Yep. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, this is a pretty big TP. It's about 100 and something pips here. So this is 1992, which is this wick fill to the left. So not a bad idea. Oh, I'll hit you up when I get done with work today. Have a great day. All right, Jay. Peace, brother. Later, later. Very nice. Very, very nice. Always love to see W's in the chat. This was the daily target. Was right here. Even the support right here. Pushing, pushing. Pushing, pushing. Yeah, 92 is not bad at all. It's probably this one's probably a little bit exaggerated here. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Got about 50 pips here, man. Oh, TP's coming up. Oh, full TP smack, ladies and gents. I am out. I am out. 73 pips on that push. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Shout out to you guys. Congratulations, everyone. Congrats. That's the push we were looking for. We got a bleeder. Bleeder, bleeder. Yeah, I'm out. TP got tapped there. TP got tapped. 92 got tapped. $92 got smacked. Perfect. And that should be it. I don't know if we're gonna continue down. So if you guys haven't taken profit, I'm out. I'm fully out of that position. Fully out. Fully out here. Right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good work, chat. Good work. W's, W's. Yeah, that's gonna be the day. That's gonna be the day. I'm not even gonna take a trade on GJ here. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, you see that? Tap 92, pulling back. Pulling back. Yes, sir. 69 pip win. I think I got like 74. 73, 74 altogether. Adam, you made some money? Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Yeah, that was a perfect trade, man. Perfect. We waited, right? We waited patiently. We this 1 hour candle, we weren't looking at it. We were looking at the 30. We had this closure below, right? We didn't budge on this small peon move here because we know that from 9 to 9:30 is not when the volume is there. And once we had volume come in, this candle opened, it originally made a nice little bottom wick for us, and that's ideally what you want to see. If you're looking for a sell, you want that open to pop down right away and then come up to make a top wick. And yeah, that was beautiful, man. Had that top wick, that's when we set our sell stops. No slippage, nothing. Stops were above here, which were like 20 pips. And yeah, man, we tapped into this zone and then we tapped into 92 here. So couldn't have played out more perfectly. Beautiful. No drawdown. 0 drawdown on that trade. Zero drawdown. Had a nice runner there too, man. I closed partials at 25 pips, and yeah, the full TP was I think it was 73 here. Oh shit, 77, damn. 1.3% gains, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful. Daily candle ripping down pretty good. We broke the daily low here, so there is a potential that this candle continues down over the next couple hours. Very high potential. Oh, Maverick has awoken. Let's go see what Maverick's doing here. Oh. Hey, at least say hi to everyone. Hey, Linda, say hi. Everyone's watching you. Wow, yeah, tap 92 and just bounce back. Come here, can I have a hug? Oh. All right, that's gonna be the day here for me. That's it for me. Have a great day, everyone. Yep, yeah, same here, same here. Yeah, that'll do it. That's gonna be the day. Kids are up. It's time to get off the charts.
Happy Monday, my boy.
Hey, yo, Uncle Scalp. What's good, brother?
That was a good one, bro.
Oh yeah.
That was a nice one.
That was a nice one.
What do you got going on for the day?
I don't know. Not too sure yet. Probably just hanging out.
Chilling out.
Yeah, just chilling. It's a little cloudy, a little cool today outside, so I think it's gonna warm up a little bit later though.
Okay.
I mean, you know, it's like 75 right now, so probably get to like 80, 82. Low 80s today. Time to enjoy the day, yes sir. Yup. So alright, so we got I actually got 77 out of that, man. So close full at 77, 77, W. So what do we at here for April? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades here. So 11 trades, 2 losses. So what's that? 9 wins? 9 wins, 2 losses here. So moving along pretty good here in April. And yeah. AMQ? No, we just need AM. There we go. Yeah, but I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head off here, chat. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. It's Monday, so get off the charts. You took a beautiful win. Beautiful win right now. No point in staying on. Hop off, enjoy your day, go about your business, and come on back tomorrow.
See you later, brother. Have a good day.
All right, Uncle Scalp. All right, gang. Love y'all. See you guys mañana. Enjoy those pips, man. Don't give them back today. Just close the charts. Don't give them back. Just head off. All right? All right, y'all. Peace. Peace, peace.